What's my strategy? What's the blueprint? It's unbelievably simple, basic even. I trade using trend lines and support and resistance levels. Trend lines are the foundation of my strategy. Support and resistance levels give me additional confirmation and confidence in my positions. Let's break down how I enter trades based on this strategy. No time to waste, I've already set up my platform. Today I'm starting with 50. You can start with less, but why wait? I want to see noticeable results right away. I'm adding a top-notch feature to the standard settings, RSI indicator. Let's set it up properly and we are ready to go. By the way, if you have any questions, feel free to message me on my channel. I can help you get set up so you can start trading with me today. The link is in the description. Here's our first pair. What do we see? The price is bouncing off the resistance level with strong red candles. The indicator is in the middle of the channel, so we're expecting a downward move. Great start, we were already at 96, let's keep going. Now we're going up. There was a strong downward move, followed by a pause. The indicator is showing divergence, signaling a potential correction. Let's wait. The trade closed near the entry point, but it still worked out in our favor. This is why I love this method of trading where predicting market movements is key, and I'm pretty good at it. How are these guys doing? We're going down again because there's a bounce of the resistance level and aggressive red candles. The indicator is still in the middle of the channel, so there's room to fall. By the way, I've got some amazing news for some of you today. I'd even call it a unique opportunity. You can get an extra 50% added to your deposit. The first 15 people to register using my promo code will receive this bonus. Just click the link in the description, message me directly saying I want the promo code, and I'll send it to the lucky ones who act fast. Don't wait too long. Third trade, another success, let's keep it up. Alright, here we've hit a support level, but there's no reaction to it, so we're expecting a downward movement. Perfect, and now we're at 353. Let's not waste any time. Wow, that's a strong impulse. We're heading down right now. My prediction was spot on again. This strategy is showing incredible effectiveness. Let's keep moving forward. Let's check back with this pair. Here we see a strong downward movement that has paused and the indicator is moving out of the lower boundary. That means we're expecting an upward correction. This is what smart trading looks like, and for me it constantly opens up so many opportunities to improve my life and make my dreams a reality. Buying a dream car like a Lamborghini, wearing the watches I love, and more importantly, helping others. I share my experience to help my followers grow, and just yesterday we made over 1 million together. How do we do it? I host daily live sessions. That means every member of my channel can copy my trades and achieve the same amazing results. And guess what? Joining my channel is currently completely free. For now, anyway. The link is in the description and the first pinned comment. And once again, I was right. We'll make some adjustments here and expect a pullback, so we're going down. Honestly, I'm not surprised by the result anymore, and I hope you're not either. We're going for the maximum. There's a strong trend here, and the correction is unlikely, so we're heading down. Nailed it! Yeah. I got a bit of time left, so let's quickly squeeze in a few more trades before my live sessions with my subscribers begins. If you'd like to join us, the link is in the same place. Alright, we're hitting 3,500 again, and this pair is heading down right now. Perfect! Time is running out, so this will be the final trade for the day. We'll leave everything as is and go down after the correction. Remember where I started? Today I'm starting with 50. And look at where I am now. It seems unbelievable, doesn't it? I'm confident you've seen that the most reliable way for beginner traders to succeed is by joining my live online trading sessions. Anyone is welcome to join us. All it takes are 2 simple steps. Join my club using the link in the description and send me a private message. Become part of a growing trading family. Copy my trades and start seeing results just like mine. Don't hesitate. Send me a message. I'll answer all your questions. That's all for now. Bye-bye.